We have finished simple past with use to. Next we are going now to answer the question. Complete the paragraph with the correct form of verbs in parentheses or brackets. Use used to, you would, and didn't use to. We have here 9 questions or 9 gaps. We have to fill it with used to and didn't use to, right? Okay. Now we are going to answer some questions in our workbook. Like we see here, exercise number K. This answers for this exercise number A. In your student book page number 16, the answer will be here from 1 to 9. Okay. There is and there are. What is the difference between them? Singular nouns, plural nouns. We are asking about singular nouns or talking about singular nouns with there is. There is a phone. There is a phone message for you. Phone message, singular. There are lots of unanswered emails in your inbox. There are for plural. So for plural we're using there are. For singular we're using there is. What about plurals? Plurals consists of 2 sections. The first one, regular noun. The second one, irregular nouns. So for regular nouns, we are using for most irregular nouns we add s to form the plural. And if the noun ends in s, ch, sh, o, or x, we add es. Why? Because it is singular. For example, or for regular nouns, we are talking about regular only. For regular nouns that end in y, so the first one is ch, sh, o, or x, we add es. Like what? Okay. We usually drop the y for the second part if the noun ends in y, and add ies for the plural. For regular nouns that end in f or fe, we change the ending to ves. Okay, now I will give you some examples. Like the first one, letter, letters, car, cards, email, emails. In these examples, we add only s to the noun, to the singular, to make it plural. But in some nouns, like inbox, business, watch, it ends with x, es, ch, so we'll put or add es to the noun in plural, right? Okay. What about city? Ends with y, company, ends with y, story. All of them ending in y letter. So we'll delete this letter and change it to ies. City, cities, company, companies, story, stories. What about the last part, leave, wife, life, ending in f or fe? So we'll change it to ves. Leave, leaves, wife, wives, life, lives, right? There is a mark here, nude. The noun has a vowel before the final y. Like what? I'll give you an example now. Poi, poise. Here we cannot delete the letter y. We'll add only s, letter to it. Day, days. Donkey, donkeys. We cannot delete the letter y here. Just we'll add s to the plural.